Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your phone step by step. Want faster and more secure unlocking than passwords? Face Unlock lets you open your phone just by looking at it. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on Password and Security option. Step 2. Now select Face Unlock from the menu. Enter your current phone password to continue. Step 3. Tap on Enroll Face option. Your phone will now open the front camera setup. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android security tips and smartphone tutorials every week. Step 4. Position your face in front of the camera. Follow the on-screen instructions until scanning completes. Step 5. Finish the face scanning process properly. Boom! Your Face Unlock is now successfully set up. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple Android guides and smart security tips every week.